Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can remove your payment method on Prizepicks, and it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, go to Prizepicks, log into your account, and then what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to tap on the deposit button that you'll find in the top right hand corner. And once you are on the deposits page, guys, you should see a trash can icon, okay? You want to click on this icon, which will be next to the payment method you actually want to remove. You'll see that trash can icon. Click on that icon to remove that payment method. If that icon, is not there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end, because you can only remove a payment method once 60 days have lapsed since you added it. Okay, and also you can only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across the 12-month span. And for security reasons, guys, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account. So I hope this video helps you out and shed some light on some other aspects of removing your payment method on Prizepicks. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.